Hey everyone, so in this video we will learn how to convert your image sequence into video sequence inside Blender. So whenever you start your Blender, click on video editing and then you'll see a sequence like this. Now what you need to do is go to add image sequence and then you need to find where your image sequence is saved is. So mine is over here in the 54 image sequence. So now you need to click on the first image, press A to select every image and then do add strip. Now that is done, you'll see your image strip right over here. So these are all individual images. Also, you will find all the data over here, like how much time it took for it to render and resolution and stuff like that. So when we choose video editing as our preset, you'll see that in the color management, the view transform is already set to standard, which is don't do any thing related to color correction. It has already did all the color correction thing by itself. So it is using the raw colors that it was rendered in. Um, so now the next thing is to check your timeline. So there will be a number displayed over here. So mine is 315. So I'm just gonna plug that number over here, 315. And if you hold down shift and arrow key, you can go to the last frame, and as you can see, that is the last frame of our video. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is make your resolution correct. So mine is inverted 4K, so 1080, and this should be 1920. Now as you can see, my video, it looks a little bit smaller and it is actually a 4K render, and that is because if you go into the transform, you'll see that it is scaled to 0.281. So just make this 1, and now you'll see that my video is actually bigger than my resolution because it is. So I'm just going to multiply it by 2 and this by 2. So this was rendered in this exact resolution, and now my video, my image, they are fitting my camera. So now all you got to do is just go into the output tab, make sure that your frame rate is correct, which is mine is 24 fps. We are set to ffmpeg video. Now in the encoding, we are going to select mp4 mpeg 4, and the output quality, we can get away with the high quality. There is no audio in this. If you want to add audio, you can over here, but I don't want to. Now you need to select the output directories, and I'm gonna make it as a raw video and accept it. And yeah, that's it. Now all you have to do is press Ctrl F12 and it will render all the whole video, and it will get saved on your disk where you selected it. So as you can see, it is creating a video file and it is a little bit slow. So your sample count, it actually doesn't matter. You can even make this 1. You can either do it in Eevee or you can also do it in Cycle. It doesn't change anything. But if you change the transform, you can also manage your exposure and gamma if you want. But I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so my exporting is done. Let's check it out. Okay, so the video is running nicely. So as you can see, it has converted it into MP4. So yeah, that's how you export your image sequence into video inside Blender. For more tutorials, subscribe to my channel and like this video if you learned something new. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.